Question number 10. A solution containing 28 grams of phosphorus in 315 grams of carbon disulfide. Given that the boiling point is 46.3 degrees Celsius, boils at 47.98 degrees Celsius. If Kb for CS2 is 2.34 kg per mole, formula for the phosphorus is, given that the atomic mass of phosphorus is 31. All right. So here, we need to find out what is the molecular formula for phosphorus. It can be done. Let's see how. So first point is that the mass of the phosphorus solute mass of the phosphorus as what we have, that is nothing more than Wb, that we are adding is 28 grams. Second one, mass of solvent. The mass of solvent is equal to, that is Wa, and that is equal to 315 grams. Boiling point of pure CS2. Boiling point. So that is going to be 46.3 degrees Celsius. Solution. Boiling point. And that is going to be 47.98 degrees Celsius, right? So let us consider X as the molecular formula for phosphorus. Okay, so let Px be the formula for molecule. Okay, so therefore, molar mass is going to be equal to Px is equal to Mb in, now Mb, that is nothing more than X into 31 grams per mole. Okay, therefore, considering delta Tb values, so delta Tb, that is nothing more than the elevation in the boiling point. All right, so is equal to, what we have is 1000 into Kb into Wb, the whole thing divided by Ts minus Tb into Wa. Okay, now this would give rise to 1000 into Kb value 2.34, so 2.34, right, into 28. Now let's divide this entire case with Ts minus Tb, Ts, that is solution, minus Tb, that is 47.98 minus 46.3. Okay, so 47.98 minus 46.3 into Wa, we have 315. Okay, so now let's start with this calculations. So when we calculate it, we would end up having the value of delta Tb is equal to, okay, so delta Tb, we have already taken it down, and Mb, we have taken it on the top. Okay, so it is going to be as Mb over here when we take this particular thing down, right? So therefore, we are going to have it as, one second, we went wrong over here. So this should be nothing more than Mb here. So therefore, this term is nothing more than the delta Tb term. So I have taken it down, did not realize that. So Mb is equal to, now when we are going to solve this entire scenario, that is 1000 into 2.34 into 28, the whole thing divided by the difference in the boiling point into 315. So that is going to give us a value of 123.8 grams per mole. Okay, now, as what we have already seen over here is Mb is equal to X into 31. Okay, so therefore, as MB is equal to X into 31. Okay, so MB value 123.8 is equal to X into 31. So therefore, X is equal to 123.8, the whole thing divided by 31, and that is going to give us rise to answer as 4. So therefore, that is the phosphorus P4 molecule. Therefore, the answer is option B. Thank you.